Hello, everyone. Today, I want to demonstrate what our letter generator template does. We can choose the template from the Flow Library tab and select the letter generator option. This flow allows you to generate a personalized letter tailored to your specific needs based on the input you provide. You can customize various aspects of the letter, such as the tone, formal, casual, or anything in between, the length, brief, standard, or detailed, and the intended recipient, e.g., business partner, friend, or colleague. It's a versatile tool, perfect for drafting letters for a wide range of purposes, including business correspondence, personal messages, or professional communication. Whether you need a quick email or a detailed formal letter, this flow saves you time by structuring your thoughts into a clear, concise, and appropriate format. There's a full video on how you can make this flow for your own linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.